we have made a commissioner, NBWP commissioner. 4,131 NBWs have been executed. Then that has yielded in very good convictions for us. 74% conviction there in our commissioner. Because of that zigzagging effect, like people have, they do not come into our area, they're going away from our area. So the offense also come down. Now the property offense is also 19% property offense less case have been, 15% property offense less case have been reported. Then cybercrime offenses 19% less number of cybercrime offenses have been reported. Overall crime perspective, if you see, we see that, you know, the Rajkonda, Cyberabad, Hyderabad and these outskirts and all, you will have a lot of dacoities and all robberies. Dacoities have come down, murder of gains have come down. Then these robberies, chain snatching we are using under section robberies, then they have also come down. Then our detection percentage is now 69%. This is the highest. Then we got 31 live convictions, which is highest in the state. It must be highest in the country also. Yesterday also we had our Lok Adalat. In the Lok Adalat, 27,000 cases all put together been compounded. In that 4,128 like FIR cases have been compounded. This way our officers are more focused. Our crime rate has come down compared to last year. Then our 360 degrees focus way approach to meet the requirements of the citizens. We are going for a more number of cameras been installed. We got new command control, which connectivity is improved. Apart from that, to serve the senior citizens, we have started a concept called Senior Citizens Care and Concern Desk, and where the Golden Care, where all the senior citizens in each police station, 10 senior citizens were vulnerable, over 70-year-old. We identified them. Our teams would go to them and find out any issues which can address, because they're staying alone. Then their health issues also we are addressing. So the self-esteem will go up, their care concerns are addressed. This is also reducing the occurrence of crime. These are the reasons we are moving in the society. We're talking to the people. We are trying to see that women is safe and secure. That's the reason our new Baroda Center with a new staff getting into their initiatives so that the women issues are addressed. And then 73 murders occurred this year, which are less compared to last year. All the cases have been detected. 549 property offences, grave or many grave bodily offences which have been reported. All the cases have been detected. And the highest conviction rate in the state, we got it, 74% conviction rate, and 31 cases, live conviction is there. And in one case, one solitary single case, we got 17 people convicted for life. That's a SC Act case. Generally, we see SC Act case, there will not be convictions. But we got live convictions for all the accused, all the 17 accused have been given live conviction. This is how our officers have been performing. Even every day, we are our what you call like our please our this dial 100s. Every 2 minutes we are attending one call. 284,000 calls we have addressed. That's the reason our quick response. We have a concept called is gone up. We have a concept called VQT. Visible policing, quick response and technology. These three areas we are focused, and to reduce road accidents, which we are more important concern for us, we got APT, Accidents Analysis Prevention Team. Any kind of fatal accident occurs, our team with all stakeholders will visit the place and try to find out solutions to avoid such occurrences. But still, because of number of vehicles are going up, 18,000 vehicles every year been added to this commissariat and neighboring commissariat. So that is the issue we need to address.
Sir, cyber crime is a major issue today. How are you able to control the cyber crime?
Cyber crime is basically occurring because people are they're not having awareness about that. So first area we made it a point that who are the victims, maybe illiterate, maybe senior citizens, and then students also. So these are the people we started addressing them. Then we have conducted 18,000 awareness campaigns, and even in every day our visible policing team, about 55 areas we are doing visible policing. Our teams would go on, of course, actually some citizen going on the road, they stop him and we find out his welfare, and we also start telling about the precautions we should take about cybercrime. With this, and not only that, every time, if you detect, if you arrest the accused, then you can, what you call, it will work as deterrence. So we have arrested 98 top-notch cybercrime criminals who stay out of the state, and 71 what you call PT warrants been arrested by some other unit in some other part of the country. We brought in them and we arrested them in our place. So this is how we could reduce cybercrime occurrence. 19% reduction is there. 40 crores this refund we have done. We should do more also. It's not that we are not complacent with this achievement. We will start doing more on this.
Finally, on zero NBW commission rate, what do you have to say?
This is the rarest of rarest achievements actually. And then thinking on that itself is a kind of precocious talents which we have got. We own those talents and we put our every officer in that. And a lot of cases which are 10 years old, 15-year-old cases we could trace out. Then first initially 3,143 we have executed, and later on again the case is a continuous process. So another 800 cases, 800 NBWs also we have executed. I mean 1,000 NBWs we have executed. Now by this year end, 4,000 NBWs we have executed. That helped us in detecting and preventing the occurrence of crime. That helped us in getting a good conviction.